Hey everybody, it's Miss A, and I'm here with our recap video on our assignment for today. We focused on reading and writing numbers in different forms. So this is a recap. Reading and writing numbers in different forms. This section should actually be pretty easy for the kids. So we have different forms that we focus on. We have number form, which is just standard numbers. We have standard form, or which goes with standard, sorry. We have word form. And we have expanded form. So you could be given a number like 36. Now, the numbers the students are going to get are bigger than that, but I just wanted to give you an example. So this is our standard form. The number 36 is written like that in standard form. In word form, it is written 36. In expanded form, that's when you break apart the numbers into place value. So if I were to do a place value chart, that would be my tens, that would be my ones. This would be represented by 30 because it's in the tens place, and tens place has 1 0, and this would be my ones. So expanded form would be 30 plus 6. So what the students have to do is just simply, they're given numbers and they have to write it in two of the other forms. They might be given it in Word and have to do it in standard or expanded. So let me give you a little bit bigger number. I really like the place value chart because it helps us keep focus, and it will build towards what we need to do in the future later on in the week, where we're talking about how each place value is 10 times greater than the one prior to it from the right to the left. So if I have the number 476, that's my standard form. My written form, so I'll write S. My written form is 476. That's my written form. And my expanded form would be 400 plus 70 plus 6. So here, if I would do it like this, that's my hundreds, that's my tens, that's my ones, 400, 70, and 6. Now, what the students can do is they could just write the number in the place value chart, and then they could add the zeros. I typically do it like this. So that way, that has a 1, no zeros, you just write the digit. This has a 1 and 1 0, so I write the digit and add 1 0. This has one number and 2 zeros, I add the zeros. So that would be 476. One more, a little bit bigger, just so we get the understanding. The standard form would be 5,621. The written form, 5,621. And then for expanded form, this is where I would do my place value chart. Helps keep me sane. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. And then I would put 1,000 above it, 100, tens, and ones. And again, this is building on a concept that we're going to do later in the week, where they realize that each place value to the left is 10 times greater than the one that's to the right. So, and how I recognize it is these look the same with the exception that has a 0, so you add 1 0 to that number. This has 2 zeros, 3 zeros. All right, so here I could do 1, 2, 6, 5. I usually always start writing it from the right to the left so I don't make a mistake and start in the wrong place value. And now I'm just going to apply that. One number, no zeros, one number. One number, 1 0. One number, 2 zeros. One number, 3 zeros. And that's my expanded form. 5,000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 1. All right, I hope this video helps everybody and gets you organized and keeps you up to date with what we're doing. If you have any questions, put it down in the comments. Thanks for watching.